right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so the Road King has got that on-off switch in the middle. He's already found his there and then there. Check the mirrors for me. And really, that's all it is, bare bones.
Nice.
Your turn signals on both sides. And that's about all we need to know unless you have any questions. All right, go have fun. Oh, yeah.
All right, guys. 2024 Road King Special with the Stage 3 Screamin Eagle package. Let's see what you got. Stage 3. Oh my god! That air filter screams, man. What the hell? Holy shit. Oh! Dang, son. This is awesome already. Just a raw bike, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's see what we got here. Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine with the Stage 3 Screamin Eagle kit. Nice! Motherfucking king of the road. We're gonna try to do some slingshot action here, you know what I'm saying? Alright, here we go. Dang, son, this thing screams for sure. Oh yeah, she's comfy. This thing has a really nice back to the seat of it that you can really lean into. Boy, they need to close that gap up there, son. Look at me chilling. Yes, sir! The brakes are pretty jumpy. These rotors might feel warped already. It's so weird. Hey, no waves. They didn't give me no waves. They're too cool. I just want you guys to feel some acceleration, hear what it sounds like. Dude, she's smooth. I don't think I've ever ridden a Road King before, so very nice, very nice. Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine. We have the blacked out finishes in trim throughout. Ventilator air cleaner, low profile engine guard, Dynamaker LED headlamp, gloss black Prodigy wheels, and oh, it doesn't even say the pricing. It says C staff. That's when you know she's expensive. Holy crap. Stage 3 big bore cylinders and pistons and the works. Oh yeah, dude. She glides. Man, this thing feels really nice too, like the engine, the exhaust. Wow. Hey. Very nice, man. Yeah, this is honestly just a really simple bike. You got your, you know, key or accessories there, traction control, horn, blinkers, cruise control, which is very important. You got your flashers. Yeah, very simple. Thing hums, man. Ho, 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 ho. Very nice. Very nice sound. I know why these Harley guys always want to rev, and because it feels so good, you know, you're like, whoop. It is a little jumpy when you shift, but you know, it's, I guess, to be expected. So you got your saddlebags here. Check that out. That's cool. You got your latches here. Plenty of space for everything. Very nice. Yes, sir. The old classic Road King. Holy shit. All right, guys, well, you saw it. 2024 Road King Special with the Stage 3 Screamin Eagle Package, which has the big bore cylinders and pistons, along with quite a few other things. Man, this thing's really enjoyable. Definitely probably not something I'd buy. I'd probably get something that fits me a little more, but it is a lot of fun to drive. I think I went faster on this than I did anything else. The thing does haul, and even when I was going pretty fast, it didn't feel like you know, the wind was beating me up too bad, so that's a good thing. Anyways, guys, I really appreciate you watching. If you made it this far, please leave a like, comment, let me know what you thought about the video, and please subscribe. It really helps me out in more ways than you know. Once again, everyone, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Peace.